Hey guys, so spring is kind of sort of here, and well, I gotta go clean out I gotta go dust down outside and kind of get rid of some of that gravel and everything that's kicking around. So I'm gonna try and show you what's good technique so you don't end up hurting yourself. All right, so let's go outside. All right, so quick little recap since I obviously couldn't, you can hear me outside. Just make sure that you guys are kind of using lunging position. So you're, bending the knees and hips, you're staying lower to the ground, and that you're not arching your back. And so nice straight lines, and just make sure that you pace yourself. Don't try and do everything all at once. You will end up having a lot more aches and pains after the fact. I know it's easier just to get it all done at once, but sometimes sometimes our bodies don't want to agree. So take your time and pace yourself and keep those nice straight lines so you don't hurt yourself. And yeah, good luck, have fun, and enjoy the spring cleaning. Okay, bye.